everyone, and welcome back to Storky Farmstead. So today we're gonna make baked pumpkin oatmeal cups. We have Keaton in his apron, and we got Tamia in her apron, and we've got Sam, that's your cousin and your friend. So I picked a kid-friendly recipe, you guys. Listen, you can make it hard or you can make it easy. But like my daddy likes to say, work smarter, not harder. So this is gonna be a very easy recipe that you can make with neighborhood kids, your godchildren, your children, or your grandkids. Now watch. You're gonna take this and you're gonna go around like this, okay? You gotta do that in every single one. No, you already got some on there. Every single one. There you go, go around. It's called greasing the muffin.
Now do this one. Keep going. You got enough on there. Keep going. But do more. You gotta do more. Do this one. But do this. Gotta do more. There you go. All of them. So, there you go. You see? You see more? Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit more on there. So right here. Rub it around. Do these. And done these. Alright, do the next one. Do this one. Then do this one. Okay, good job. Good job. So what you just did was what? What you just did? Grease the muffin beans. Yeah, that was your muffin beans.
Pick that up and pour it into the red bowl. Okay, pour it in. Tom, say this is 1 1/3 cup whole milk.
All in the cup and the almond milk.
There you go. Pour it all in there. Good job.
Let it down.
All right, now we're gonna need 2 medium eggs. Can you go grab 2 eggs? No, Keaton, Tamia's gonna do it. You're too little for that. No, baby, look in the egg container.
I want to crack Michelle.
The egg container.
Oh, Michelle, I'm gonna crack it.
No, because you'll get eggshells in it.
Okay, so Michelle, Michelle got it.
So we're doing one at a time?
One time.
Yes, that's your other one. It's gonna roll right off that table probably. Keaton, move your hand. There you go. Crack it.
I did yesterday.
And you can put your eggshells right here.
I'll do it.
Very good. Very, very nice.
That like poo-poo.
Keaton, it doesn't look like poo-poo. I ain't never seen poopy look like that. Good job. So you're gonna do a 1/2 cup. We're gonna use cane sugar syrup, guys. They said maple, but I don't like maple. It's too strong. So we're gonna do the cane sugar syrup. A 1/2 cup. Very nice. Put your lid on it real quick before you move, and that way you don't have to worry about accidentally knocking it over. And carry that carefully over there and pour it into your red bowl. No, let cousin do it. Ooh, that's pretty.
I put it in the egg.
Just keep turning it. Turn it up completely upside down, and the rest of it will come out.
Stick out. I want to lick it.
You want to lick it? You can taste it. Look, that's just syrup. You can taste it. Put your finger.
No,
Not with your tongue, Doodle. With your finger.
Look, I got it.
With your finger. It is good, isn't it? That's why I picked it. Maple syrup is really strong tasting, but cane sugar, that's actually, it's kind of good for you.
It's good to me.
This is why in the South we like sugar cane. That's sugar cane syrup.
That's sour. It's good.
It's good. I know it is. What she's doing now is 2/3 cups of pumpkin puree. Now you saw when we made our homemade pumpkin pies, we made our own puree. Guys, when you're dealing with kids, just go ahead and buy the pumpkin puree. You do not want that step involved. It's a lot.
Especially with young kids.
That's right. And he's only 4, so. Yeah, so you're going to do the oats. You want to do the oats? Okay, we're going to let you do the oats now. Pick up your 3 cups of rolled old-fashioned oats and dump it in there. Pick it up, pour it in there. Yeah, use both hands. It's going to be kind of heavy. It's 3 whole cups. There you go. There you go. Oh, you're doing so good. Dump it all. Make sure all the oats go in there. Good job. Good job. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Real careful. You got them all. You got this. Put it right here. Dump it in there. Good job, Keaton. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Take this. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and dump it in there.
Dump it up in there.
In your red bowl, baby. Dump it in your red bowl. All of it. Good job. Good job. I like that tap. Nice now job. You're going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Ooh.
Oh, I did it.
No, you did pumpkin pie spice.
I did this.
Yeah.
This the cinnamon and this the pumpkin pie. No, this is a pumpkin
No, it is. So that is supposed to be a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Extract. That's right. Dump it.
Oh,
good job.
that like blood.
It don't like 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that is it. That's all it asks for. Now you can add chopped nuts and you can add chocolate chips, but we're going to skip all that. It's going to go in just like that. Stir it good. Mix up all the ingredients.
You beat you. You beat me. I'm going to beat you. What's I'm about to beat her?
You going to beat her?
Looks like I'm beating you. Beat you.
And now what you're going to do with sugar is once the muffins are finished, like you get them in the muffin pan, then you're going to add just a little bit of sugar on top, and then you bake it for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So very simple recipe, one that even a 4-year-old can get into, and you can actually start teaching him, you know, things like cups and quarter cups and that kind of stuff. No, Keaton, you stir yours, you let her stir hers. Can y'all scrape around the edges and try to get off all the dry stuff? There you go. Tamia gets what I'm talking about.
Go back. Go back.
Keaton.
Go back to me. Go back there. Go back this. Ew. I'm gonna reach.
It's not a game, Doodle. You're supposed to be stirring. That's right.
This is rice. This is rice.
It's not rice. It's oatmeal.
No, this is wheat. It's like oatmeal cereal, but we're making them into muffins.
That's right. Don't try to eat it.
It's not even cooked yet.
That little face.
Nobody hit me.
She didn't hit you. Keaton.
Be careful.
All right, let's get a spoon and we'll start putting it into the muffin pan.
I want to do it.
So right now they're pouring the mixture up in the muffin pan to make the stuff. So.
Good job.
Oops.
It's okay. It's going to get messy. It's what happens when you cooking with kids.
Right.
Ready? Pour it. There you go. Let's get you another scoop.
It may look gooey, but it's going to be good.
It's going to harden up. All right, look.
You're only doing 2 more.
You only do this one. Do that one.
Yep.
That one. There you go. Pour it in there. Pour all of it.
Oop.
You moving too quick, Booger. You gotta let it all come out the cup before you move your cup.
And next
there
I
you
will
go.
be pouring
one
my 6.
more. It goes in this one.
Yes.
This one.
Okay.
Let it all come out. Good job. All right, now it's Cousin's turn.
Okay.
Hold
Hold this.
Oh, you gonna hold my camera?
But you gotta pull your hands out.
Okay, let me hold the camera.
I'm gonna have.
No, I'm gonna hold the camera.
You gotta put it like
Lick your finger.
Ew.
It's good. No, don't put your fingers in them.
That's it, Tamia. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do that one.
No, you did your 6, Booger. She's gonna do her. No, she's gonna do those. If we have any extra, we'll make the little muffins. How about that?
Mini cups.
The little mini cups, yeah.
Yes. Tell me, I had it.
Yeah, like how we did those little pumpkin pie mini cups the other day. We'll make mini muffins.
That's it, Tamia.
Keaton, she knows what she's doing. She's got to fill it up 3/4 of the way, Booger.
Too much.
You don't know.
What?
That's okay, baby. We'll watch your cups. We'll clean up the table later, I promise.
Right there, eat it.
Actually, we probably might have any left over.
Tamia.
That's good.
So eat some.
Trust me, I know we're going
Eat some. Eat it. Eat it, Tamia.
I'm not eating nothing that I'm putting up in here. We're going to have like a little bit left.
Oh, we're not going to dirty up a whole muffin pan for that. So fill those in.
Lick it with our fingers.
Fill up your little cups. There you go.
We can lick the rest with our fingers.
Yes, you can lick the rest with your fingers. Like a cake. I know somebody would probably tell me that I should be worried about salmonella, but since these eggs are fresh out the chicken's behind, I am not worried about salmonella. Because these eggs are not store-bought nasty eggs.
It's good.
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
Cheese.
No, measuring cups, spoons. Taste it, Keaton.
No.
Come on. Come on.
No.
I love your face. Just try a little bit. It's so
Before I eat it
good.
all.
It's so good.
I like poo-poo.
It's
I'm gonna eat it all.
Keaton.
It's good.
Yes, it is.
Give me the recipe on one.
No, you don't like it, remember?
No, man.
Have the patience of Job. I'm just saying. All right, you guys, we've got them ready. A little messy, a lot to clean up. Oh, well, that's cooking with kids. Tell them, girl, cooking with kids. We're going to slide this in the oven, 30 minutes, and we're going to have muffins. Oh, wait. We forgot to sprinkle the top with coarse sugar. Sprinkle a little bit of coarse sugar.
Okay.
Like this. No, not you, just me. We already had this discussion.
I want to do it.
No, I get to do it this time. You guys got to do everything else fun. I get to do this, the sugar. The sugar's my contribution.
What is this in there?
Oh, it's so
Yeah,
pretty.
right. I see it.
You see it? What's it doing in there?
Cooking.
It's cooking?
Baking, I shall say.
Yeah, that's right. Very good.
Baking. Hey.
You made those muffins. Are you going to be able to eat them?
No.
Why? I knew it. I knew when he said hey to him, he thought they was like alive.
They good.
Don't open up the oven, though. You can't open the oven when you're baking because you'll make whatever you're baking fall.
Nasty.
It's not nasty.
good.
You look at your little
The way that
lips.
he was eating that out that bowl, it was good.
It was good. He's going to love them. That's going to be y'all's contribution to
Favorite
Thanksgiving tomorrow. Oh.